Isang kagandang araw mga ka-foodies at ngayon meron tayong top 5 places to go kapag nasa Baguio ka. Sobrang Instagrammable and aesthetic kaya ihanda nyo na ang listahan nyo. Let's go ka-foodies! For our Baguio Gaming rank number 1, tada! Siyempre, mag-start tayo sa libre at walang bayad ang entrance sa Burnham Park. Ito yung view kapag maga and then marami ring food stalls doon at marami ding entertainment. Ganito naman siya ka-scenic kapag gabi. For the lights, mga person. At syempre, hindi naman natatapos yun ng emote-emote.
I just want you to know who I am.
Kung gusto mo ng medyo thrill and adventure, Burnham Park pa rin, pero you try biking or karting. At rank number 2, may 100 pesos na entrance fee, Baguio Botanical Gardens. Sobrang daming Instagrammable places dito. Kailangan lang talaga magaling yung videographer.
It took 5 seconds to fall in love and 2 more to make you mine. Now it's 4 in the morning, sunset and 7 minutes with you and it's heaven. Ain't an hour that rolls by. I love you 24/7, 365.
Rank number 3, Ililikha Artist Village. Bukod sa maraming cafes, ang daming pwedeng bilhin sa loob. At syempre, we go by the motto, support local artists.
You'll find a way. I know now it's hard for you to see the light when you feel like the world is closing in tonight. There is no place left to run. The stitching starts to come undone. You're no longer sure what to do, but you know in times like this.
Number 4, Mirador Heritage Garden. Huwag kalimutang magpa-picture sa kanilang iconic na bell tower which symbolizes peace.
Nais kong malaman mong iyo ko palagi.
Siyempre, tied at number 5 ang Diplomat Hotel, Tamawan Village, and Mini Brazil.
I just wanna love you like I do, 'cause I never had someone like you. Ain't nobody got this love, got me covered. Ain't nobody pay, all I need is love. I just wanna run away with you. I'm just hoping that you see and you know this. Can't stop with the way I've been falling. Fall back as a catch when you're falling. I just need to know you're mine when I'm coming. Girl, let me provide you need a freaky girl under the sheets. But you love when things start slowing down. I know you got me, babe. There's a drop top coupe, said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do, 'cause 'cause I never had someone like you. Ain't nobody got this love, got me cuffed.
I hope nag-enjoy kayo and na-inspire. Sana maisama nyo sila sa inyong next Baguio itinerary. I'm sure you love it. And don't forget to take photos. That will be all. Cha-cha!